In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add story points to user stories in Trello. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your agile workflow by incorporating estimations into your task management. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Trello board. This is your workspace where all your user stories and tasks are organized. Once you're there, take a look at the top right of the screen where you'll see an option called Power-Ups. Go ahead and click on it. Power-ups are Trello's way of adding additional functionality to your boards, and they are crucial for what we are about to do. After clicking on Power-ups, you'll notice a new button that says Add Power-ups. Click on this to access Trello's wide array of enhancements. In the search bar that appears, type in Agile Tools by Trello. This is the power-up we want as it specifically caters to agile teams, helping them manage sprints and story points effectively. When you find Agile Tools by Trello, click on the Add button. This step is all about getting the functionality integrated into your board. You might see a confirmation dialog, and in that case just click on Add once more to proceed. Now, with Agile Tools installed, you should see an option on your screen that says Use Story Points on this board. Select this option to enable story points for your tasks. This feature will allow you to estimate the effort required for each user story, making it easier to balance the workload across your team. Next, follow the prompts by clicking on Next as it guides you through the setup process. This might take a couple of clicks, but once you're through it, you'll reach a final button labeled Finish. Click it, and you're all set to start using story points. Don't forget to close the menu once you're done to return to your main board view. Now let's assign some story points. Begin by selecting a card on your board that represents a user story or task. Inside the card, look for an option that now says Story Points. Click on it, and you'll be able to assign a numerical value that best represents the complexity or effort level of the task. Choose a point value that suits your estimation for the task at hand. And that's it, you've successfully added story points to your Trello user stories. Remember, story points are there to help you estimate tasks better, aiding in prioritizing work and managing team capacity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your agile process within Trello.